You know, when you get this Jeep bug, it really, when you get bitten by the Jeep bug, it's really, really, really poisonous. So, ooh, I'm feeling in this box. I know what this is. I'm really excited about it. This, oh geez, this is heavier than I thought. Wow, this is well overdue. This is well overdue. I needed to get this a long time ago. There it is. That is a worn product right there, buddy. This happens to be a worn grill guard for my Jeep. I don't think it's full. And so this is going to be light bar and stuff like that for me. They wrap them really well. Warren's a really great company. They make great products for Jeeps. Can't wait to get my winch for my Jeep here soon. So let's get the sucker open. Man, I gotta shove it in mine. Oh, there it is. It's open. Here we go. Oh boy, that's not a heavy sucker. That's gonna be on the front of the Jeep here later on today. It's a rainy day, kind of a cruddy day outside. You know, ground's wet, not really the kind of day you would take the top off the Jeep and roll around in. So instead, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna put on my new worn bumper grill guard. We're gonna put on my new worn grill guard. Here we are, last look at the Jeep without it. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take out these bolts right here, okay, on this side. Same thing on the other side. These just kind of screw out. I'm gonna put that grill guard in there. Probably be about a 15-minute, 20-minute job. We'll see. Oh, there she is. I told you, less than 15 minutes. It really took about 5 minutes to put that guy on. I think it makes a world of difference. It's going to be a nice addition. Put some lights on there later on and put some lights underneath it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next, but I definitely think it makes the front of the Jeep look just a little bit tougher, you know, a little bit more fun. So, and again, you know, it didn't take much. I have a Craftsman power socket that works really well. You know, if you don't have one of these, get one of these, because obviously these bolts across the whole Jeep are you know, T45s or T50s or T whatever, right? And I got a nice socket set. I got this Craftsman, by the way, for $100. If you buy the battery, you get the tool for free. And so it came with the battery charger at Lowe's. I don't know if they got the special going on, but yeah, there we go. Thanks a lot.